I've become a big believer in this idea that what harms you more is your reaction to the thing more so than the thing itself. Like, if you're anything like me, you'll typically react pretty negatively to doing things that you told yourself that you weren't going to do. So, going to bed late. Like, it's like 12 o'clock. I usually go to bed like 9. Um, but, like, typically, would be a situation where I would get upset at myself. Like, oh, like, I wasted my evening. Blah, 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 right? My reaction to the thing. The thing is that I just spent a few hours doom scrolling or like watching shows or whatever. And today was just a nice lazy day. That's it. Like, wake up tomorrow morning and things continue as usual, no problem. But by placing so much importance and like really getting upset about the fact that I spent time, it's gonna linger. It's gonna affect my mood. And then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up feeling like I have just wasted my time. And then it's gonna break tomorrow. And then having broken tomorrow, it's gonna break the next day. And this is how spirals start realistically is especially for people with addictive personalities, where it's like if you eat one thing that's off your diet, instantly your reaction is so negative and so strong that you've decided that, oh, well, you've already completely gone off the rails because you had a cookie. And then you decide that you're just going to eat the rest of the box because you're already done anyway and you screwed up and it's terrible. And that's when the bad stuff starts happening, is because when you use one mistake as justification to spiral because you think that one mistake determines the rest of it, and that if you make one mistake, you're bound to make many more and go ahead and spiral. But the reality is you can very easily correct the spiral by taking that mistake and then just forgetting about it and waking up like it's a fresh new day. And it'll be like it never happened and you don't remember it. And this kind of goes hand in hand, definitely goes hand in hand with something that I was talking about the other day about the importance that you place upon things is directly proportional to how much you see it appear in your life. And so by negatively reacting like very strongly to whatever you may have done, for our example, we use cheated on your diet and had a cookie. Your negative reaction is going to be so strong if you really put emotion behind it that you're going to attract more days like that. And for those of you who are not fans or believe in the law of attraction, you don't have to. It's just a simple fact that if you overreact or place so much importance on one thing, you're going to think about it more because it's important to you. And in thinking about it more, and if it's a negative thing, that negativity is going to be in your thoughts more. And I think it's well accepted at this point that negative thoughts usually result in a negative reflection in reality, whether it's through your lens that you're looking at or actual physical events that occur because of that. I don't know. But essentially, the idea is you place a lot of importance on eating a cookie or failing on your diet. You place so much importance that you get really upset at yourself. You're going to constantly be thinking about that negative fact. That negativity is going to cause you to spiral and eat more cookies and more things. But had you not placed any importance on that, and had you just moved on, which is obviously very hard to do, it's a skill that you have to develop, but I think it's worth developing. And I myself am trying to work on that right now. And it's just like, let it pass you by because there's nothing you can do about it now and it's done. So you should consciously like, okay, that's probably wasn't a good idea. I shouldn't do that or continue to do that in the future. And then that's the end of it. Move on. Don't dwell on it. Don't put a bunch of emotion behind it. Definitely don't put emotion behind it. Don't put any importance on it. And just move on. Forget about it. And then you'll find that you actually get over things a lot quicker and they happen less and less because you're not dwelling on it. So you're not thinking about it. So your thoughts aren't filled with negativity. And then you notice that the bad habits that you used to have, that you used to try and break, will fade away on their own because you don't even give them any thought or energy because you don't care about them. And I really do think that's the key to many problems that people face that they can't seem to find solutions for, like breaking bad habits, starting good habits, and staying consistent, really. Avoiding spirals, breakdowns, burnout, literally all of that. So yeah, a good thing to practice is in a situation where you typically get upset or put a lot of importance on things or become upset at yourself, just let it pass you by and try and be a bystander as if you're watching it happen, but you're not emotionally invested in it. And then forget about it and move on. and then start the new day as if it never happened. And you'll find that you move on from things a lot quicker. So hopefully that's helpful. Definitely something that I'm going to be applying, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.